Hi friends, today we'll discuss about how to convert string value to decimal. So here this is my input. See, the key is a string value and the value is this is the string 1 2 3 4 I have. So this is a string. Y means it's between the double quotes. So we need to use this format syntax so that we can convert this string to decimal. So here this is the payload dot string value. We are fetching the data and converting to number, and again a string, and we are using this format. See here we can see the decimal. This is the decimal point 0. Let me show here. See, this is 13.95. This is the decimal point, and this is the 10th position. This is the 5th, 100th, 5 is, and this is the 10th, and this is the unit. So here if you increase the after a decimal point, if you increase the zeros, so it will adds after the decimal point. So now I will do one thing. So 12.34 I will give as a input. So we can see after 34 it will add only 2 zeros. Okay, this is the format. If you don't want, you can remove. It will give like this. See, this is directly string, right? We are changing this entire string to a decimal point like this. If you want to add one more zero, we can add. It will append after the decimal point like this. See, if you want to convert any string to decimal, we have to use this syntax. If you want to, you can try also this one, but it won't work. For a different requirement it will work. So let me show this one as well. This is not the correct syntax for converting, but this is useful for other formats. See, if you want to add any digits after the decimal point, we can add n number of digits like this. See, just for just appending the zeros after the decimal point, whatever if you give in the input payload, it will add. See, let me give this much digits after the decimal point. So it after the 56 it will add all the zeros. If you have this requirement, we can use this, but the suggested syntax is this one only. Okay, thank you, bye.